Hello sir, I'm Subhadeep Chatterjee working in EMRS Diphupar, Nagaland as a assistant maths teacher. On behalf of Eclavia Model Residential School, Diphupar, Nagaland, I would like to give thanks to STEPapp group and a special thanks to Mr. Praveen Tyagi, founder and CEO of STEPapp for making it free for our students during this crisis situation when our school is closed because of lockdown. Our students are really enjoying with the app. During feedback session from our students on maths, we found that the app enhanced their knowledge within a very short period of time, and they are getting in-depth learning and conceptual clarity. Another good thing is that students' knowledge is accountable in this app.